Oh, multi-sport jersey. Let's get it on. 5 times for the 5 times. Let's see. Let's see what box number we're getting here. Full-size lids, guys. Don't sleep on them. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and 18. Two. That's a fumble, isn't it? He took like 4 steps. How is that not a fumble? We're about to get a delay. About to get a delay game here. 18. Bear with me, guys. Watching this Georgia Tech game. Oh, nice. Picked up the. Oh, ball's in here. Better pick it up to be safe. 18. I hope she's 18. Turn the ball. Alright. Might have some cobwebs on it. That was the bottom one. Let's see what we got here. 3rd and 10. Bringing the blitz. Jesus, almost let him get a first down. Yeah, 60. How long is this? Is it a Hail Mary shot? Try to go for it and get 5 yards. I feel like you gotta go for that. Try to get 5-10 more yards. All right. Kevin, Tree, David, Mike, Vic, Mocha, Crazy Dave, Chris, Corey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Kyle 2, and Corey with 8. All right, 5 times here, guys. So we'll randomize and paste next to the 8 divisions. I'm sorry, not the 8 divisions. Sorry, 24 divisions, conferences. 3, 4, 5. Chris, you're on top. Dave, you're on the bottom there. 5 times, good. All right. Group you guys together. All right, Chris, East, Corey, North, South, East, West, Atlantic, Central, Pacific, West, South, West, Central, Pacific, East, Crazy Atlantic, David, West, Kevin, West, Central, East, Kyle, Northwest, Central, Mike, Metro, Mocha, Southeast, Vic, NFC North. Any trades, let me know. What if Georgia takes us to the house? A short. Anyone here to trade? Trade. so you gotta go for it, right? Any spots left on full size? Yes. Yep. Full size lid. Again, like I said, $8 a spot. Can't beat it. Black Friday deals. 20 left, only $8. Value pack is sold. Just no, those guys didn't pay. Premium pack has 2 divisions for $8 as well. Any trades here on the multi-sport jersey? Let me check my messages. Maybe they text me. No, they're not. Maybe they're sleeping or something. Did you guys buy anything today on Black Friday? Yep, it is random. It is random. And they are dirt cheap today. Alright, let's run it. Looks like the Georgia game's going to OT. OT. I don't know who that benefits. I'm going to assume Georgia. Seems like Georgia Tech just runs the ball. Has been running all over them. I don't know how their red zone offense is. I assume they're just going to run it. Carson Beck ain't throwing the ball 60 yards. Alright, let's do it. 18 out of 54. Yep. That baby is sealed. Got the OG yellow bag. Huh. OG yellow bag. P Sports Card 24 on the yellow. Yellow. Looks like baseball. Looks like a baseball jersey. WPP 928495. Okay, that matches. Little Sins. MLB jersey. Who we got? For the Cincinnati Reds on the whiteout jersey, Little Sins. Must have been the nickname jerseys. Who's this? Little Sins. Two full size looks good. Alright, Little Sins. Let's see who this is. Alright, full size lids. Might as well get them Black Friday prices, guys. Black Friday. Alright, it's going to the Reds multi-sport jersey, which is NL Central. What a that's exactly what you don't want to happen. Get strip sacked. These teams are nuts. NL Central. Kyle Griffin, you got the Reds jersey. Little Sins. MLB Reds. Nick Sanzel. Oh, he's on the White Sox now. Nick Sanzel. Number 2 overall pick for the Reds. Okay. I don't know much about him. Alright, very cool. That'll be a Reds jersey. That'll go to the NL Central. Kyle Griffin. Very nice there, Kyle. Very nice jersey. We got a bunch of picket teams left. Value pack is filled once that gets paid. Black Friday, eBay. Full size lid. 18 spots left, guys. $8 a spot. Premium pack, 2 divisions left. $8 a spot. Take advantage of the Black Friday pricing. Even if it doesn't close, at least you get yourself in there at a better rate. Alright. Multi-sport jersey, guys. Appreciate it. Thank you.